Okay, this is a Dometic HVAC box. It's got heat and air conditioning. The air conditioning is compressing and functioning, but it's not coming on. This is the heating strip warming up. It'll kick in. So the heat works on this box, but the air conditioning is not. I think it's just low on Freon. This is a demo unit that was never fully installed. Okay, and here's warming up good. It's getting to 165 degrees, 170, keeps climbing. Okay. Fan's working. The blower's working. You can see in there. And you've got 5 fan speeds. And you set your temperature up and down like this. You set heat here, cool here, slower fan speed, or automatic. And turn it off.